Welcome back, crypto enthusiasts. Today, we have an exciting topic lined up for you. We're diving into the multiverse of EGLD coin, an innovative cryptocurrency that's taking the digital world by storm. In this video from cryptowichard, we'll explore the fundamentals of EGLD, its potential applications, and the revolutionary technology behind it. But before we dive in, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to get updates every time we upload a new video. So, grab a cup of coffee and let's get started. Understanding EGLD coin. To understand EGLD coin, let's delve deeper into its core features and advantages. Elrond Gold, EGLD, is a blockchain-based cryptocurrency developed by the Elrond network. The primary goal of EGLD is to create a high-throughput, secure, and scalable blockchain platform that can facilitate fast and efficient transactions. One of the key features of EGLD is its sharding mechanism. Sharding involves breaking down the blockchain network into smaller, more manageable parts called shards. Each shard is capable of processing transactions and smart contracts independently, thereby increasing the overall throughput of the network. This sharding mechanism allows the Elrond network to achieve a high level of scalability, ensuring that the blockchain can handle a large number of transactions simultaneously. Additionally, EGLD implements adaptive state sharding, which dynamically adjusts the number of shards based on network demand. This flexibility ensures that the network can adapt to varying transaction volumes, maintaining optimal performance and efficiency at all times. Another critical aspect of EGLD is its secure proof-of-stake (POS) consensus algorithm. Unlike traditional proof-of-work (POW) systems that require significant computational power, EGLD utilizes a POS consensus algorithm that allows participants to validate transactions and create new blocks based on the number of coins they hold and are willing to stake. This approach significantly reduces energy consumption and ensures a more eco-friendly and sustainable blockchain network. The Elrond network and EGLD coin also emphasize security as a top priority. The network employs advanced cryptographic techniques to safeguard transactions and user data, ensuring a high level of security and privacy. This focus on security makes EGLD an attractive option for individuals, businesses, and institutions looking for a reliable and robust blockchain platform. EGLD coin, developed by the Elrond network, aims to create a high-throughput, secure, and scalable blockchain platform. Its innovative features, including the sharding mechanism, adaptive state sharding, and secure proof-of-stake consensus algorithm, make it a promising cryptocurrency with the potential to revolutionize the digital economy. The multiverse concept. One of the most intriguing aspects of EGLD coin is its multiverse concept. The Elrond network envisions a future where multiple blockchains exist in a seamless and interconnected ecosystem, collectively forming a multiverse. This multiverse enables different blockchains to communicate and transfer value with each other, fostering greater scalability, interoperability, and innovation within the Elrond ecosystem. Scalability is a pressing challenge in the blockchain space, as existing networks often struggle to handle a large number of transactions concurrently. However, the multiverse concept of EGLD coin addresses this issue by allowing the creation of multiple interconnected blockchains, each operating as an independent shard. These shards can process transactions and execute smart contracts in parallel, significantly increasing the overall throughput and scalability of the network. This architecture ensures that as the demand for transactions grows, the Elrond network can effortlessly expand by adding more shards to the multiverse. The multiverse concept also promotes interoperability, enabling seamless communication and value transfer between different blockchains within the Elrond ecosystem. This interoperability allows users to leverage the unique features and capabilities of various blockchains, opening up a world of possibilities for developers and businesses. For example, developers can create decentralized applications, dApps, that span multiple blockchains, leveraging the strengths of each blockchain to deliver enhanced functionalities and user experiences. This interoperability breaks down the barriers between isolated blockchain networks, fostering collaboration and innovation on a broader scale. The multiverse has significant implications for decentralized finance, DeFi. DeFi has been one of the most transformative applications of blockchain technology, offering financial services without intermediaries. With the multiverse concept, EGLD coin and the Elrond network aim to revolutionize DeFi by enabling cross-chain communication and value transfer. This means that assets, liquidity, and smart contracts from different blockchains can seamlessly interact, creating a more interconnected and efficient decentralized financial ecosystem. Users will have access to a broader range of assets and liquidity pools, enabling them to engage in a more diverse and comprehensive set of DeFi protocols and services. The multiverse concept of EGLD coin paves the way for a future where interconnected blockchains can communicate and transfer value seamlessly. This concept provides greater scalability, interoperability, and innovation within the Elrond ecosystem. It holds immense potential for addressing the scalability challenges of existing blockchain networks, promoting collaboration and innovation through interoperability, and revolutionizing the decentralized finance space. The multiverse of EGLD coin represents a significant step forward in creating a borderless, efficient, and sustainable digital economy. Real-world applications. Now that we have delved into the technical aspects of EGLD coin and the multiverse concept, let's explore its real-world applications and the exciting projects and partnerships that leverage the power of EGLD to revolutionize various industries. In the finance sector, EGLD coin is being utilized to build decentralized financial applications that offer a wide range of services such as lending, borrowing, yield farming, and decentralized exchanges. These applications, commonly referred to as decentralized finance, DeFi, protocols, leverage the scalability and interoperability of the Elrond network's multiverse to provide users with fast, secure, and cost-effective financial solutions. EGLD's integration with DeFi opens up opportunities for individuals to access financial services without relying on traditional intermediaries, ultimately promoting financial inclusivity. Gaming is another sector where EGLD coin demonstrates its versatility. The Elrond network provides a scalable and efficient infrastructure for blockchain-based gaming applications. By leveraging EGLD, game developers can create decentralized games that offer transparent ownership of in-game assets, provable fairness, and enhanced user experiences. Moreover, the multiverse concept enables cross-chain interoperability, allowing gamers to seamlessly transfer assets and progress between different games and platforms. Supply chain management is an area where EGLD coin's secure and transparent blockchain technology finds immense utility. By leveraging the multiverse concept, supply chain participants can track and verify the authenticity and provenance of products throughout the entire supply chain, ensuring transparency and reducing counterfeiting. The decentralized and immutable nature of EGLD's blockchain also enhances the efficiency and security of supply chain transactions, reducing costs and eliminating the need for intermediaries. EGLD coin is also making strides in the field of identity verification and authentication. By leveraging its secure blockchain infrastructure, EGLD facilitates the creation of self-sovereign identity solutions, empowering individuals to control and manage their own digital identities. This has implications for various industries, including finance, healthcare, and e-commerce, where secure and tamper-proof identity verification is crucial. In terms of partnerships, the Elrond network has formed collaborations with leading companies and organizations to further enhance the adoption and utility of EGLD coin. These partnerships span across various sectors, including finance, technology, and blockchain infrastructure, and aim to explore innovative use cases and promote the integration of EGLD into existing ecosystems. EGLD coin's real-world applications span across finance, gaming, supply chain, and identity verification. Its integration into decentralized finance protocols provides inclusive financial services, while its scalability and interoperability support the development of blockchain-based gaming applications. Moreover, EGLD facilitates transparent and secure supply chain management and enables self-sovereign identity solutions. The partnerships formed by the Elrond network further strengthen the potential and versatility of EGLD coin, paving the way for transformative advancements across multiple industries. Community and future roadmap. No cryptocurrency can thrive without a vibrant and supportive community. In this segment, let's delve into the EGLD coin community and explore its active ecosystem of developers, investors, and enthusiasts. We'll also touch upon the future roadmap of EGLD, giving you insights into the long-term vision of the Elrond network and EGLD coin. The EGLD coin community is a dynamic and passionate group of individuals who actively contribute to the growth and development of the Elrond ecosystem. This community includes developers who build applications on top of the Elrond network, investors who support the project, and enthusiasts who engage in discussions, spread awareness, and share their experiences with EGLD coin. Developers play a crucial role in expanding the functionality and adoption of EGLD coin. The Elrond network provides robust developer tools, including software development kits, SDKs, documentation, and resources, to empower developers to build decentralized applications, dApps, and contribute to the overall ecosystem. The Elrond Developer Program encourages developers to create innovative solutions, rewarding them for their contributions and fostering a collaborative and supportive environment. Investors form an integral part of the EGLD coin community, providing support for the project's growth and development. They contribute to the ecosystem by acquiring EGLD tokens, participating in staking and governance activities, and actively engaging in discussions and decision-making processes. Their commitment and belief in the long-term potential of EGLD contribute to the overall stability and success of the network. Enthusiasts play a crucial role in spreading awareness and fostering adoption of EGLD coin. They actively participate in community forums, social media platforms, and events, sharing their knowledge, experiences, and insights with others. Their engagement helps create a vibrant and supportive environment, attracting more individuals to explore and participate in the Elrond ecosystem. Looking ahead, the future roadmap of EGLD coin is filled with exciting updates, integrations, and plans for expansion. The Elrond network is constantly working on enhancing the scalability, security, and user experience of the platform. They have ongoing research and development efforts focused on optimizing the network's performance and introducing new features and functionalities. Integrations with other blockchain projects and platforms are also a key part of the roadmap. By collaborating with other ecosystems, EGLD coin aims to expand its reach and enable seamless interoperability between different blockchain networks, unlocking new possibilities and use cases for users. The Elrond network is actively exploring partnerships and collaborations with businesses, organizations, and institutions to integrate EGLD coin into real-world applications and industries. These strategic alliances further validate the potential of EGLD and drive its adoption in various sectors. The EGLD coin community comprises dedicated developers, supportive investors, and enthusiastic participants. Together, they contribute to the growth and development of the Elrond ecosystem. The future roadmap of EGLD coin includes continuous updates, integrations, and expansion plans, all aimed at realizing the long-term vision of creating a borderless, efficient, and sustainable digital economy. Thank you all for joining us on this thrilling journey through the multiverse of EGLD coin. We hope that this video has provided you with valuable insights into the world of blockchain technology and the potential of EGLD coin. If you found this content informative and insightful, we kindly request you to show your support by liking this video, sharing it with your friends and colleagues, and subscribing to our channel. By subscribing, you'll stay up to date with the latest updates on cryptocurrencies, blockchain technology, and other exciting topics. We're committed to bringing you more engaging and informative content, so your feedback and suggestions are always welcome. Let us know in the comments what other topics you'd like us to cover in future videos. Remember, the universe of cryptocurrencies is ever expanding, and there's always something new to explore. Stay curious, stay informed, and keep delving into the fascinating world of blockchain technology. Until next time, thank you for being part of our community, and may your cryptocurrency adventures be filled with success and discovery.